this video, we will show you how to add a calendar to Squarespace website. First, we need to go to our dashboard account and click your website to go to the site configurations. In here, you can select your page that you want to place the calendar. I click the block. Then we can click edit. In here, I need to place the calendar below the first section, so I click add section in here and click add a blank section. To add a calendar, we can just click add block button, then type calendar. In here, we think the calendar is too big, so we can resize this first. The calendars have maximum width and height, so cannot be smaller. Okay, after that we can make our section smaller with reduce the rows, and then the head is set to small, and we can click the calendar and choose block. And that's tutorial how to add calendar to Squarespace website. After you are done, you can click save, then it's done. That's all tutorial how to add a calendar to Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.